Rebuild, recover, renew. In the wake of disaster, when everything feels lost, there's hope, and it's closer than you think. At Zen Tiny Homes, we specialize in giving you a new start with affordable, quickly built, and fully customizable tiny homes, designed to help you rebuild fast. Thanks to FEMA assistance, you may be eligible for up to $43,600 to cover essential costs. Instead of spending that money on temporary housing, why not invest in your future? With this funding, you can finally add the ADU you've always wanted, allowing you to stay on your property once you've resolved your property clearance and received the necessary approvals. Tiny homes are the perfect, cost-effective solution to live on site while watching your new home take shape. This isn't just a temporary fix. It's a permanent solution to help you rebuild your life, all while staying close to what matters most. We're here to guide and support you every step of the way. Congressman Brad Sherman has been fighting tirelessly for homeowners, advocating for policies that put you and your family first, ensuring that you can rebuild quickly and with the support you deserve. Our homes are available in a range of sizes and layouts to meet your needs. Fully customizable to reflect your unique lifestyle, each home includes a complete kitchen, bathroom, and living area, along with all necessary hookups for water, electricity, and sewage, providing a seamless, move-in-ready experience. With our customization options, you can design a home that fits your lifestyle. Whether it's a cozy studio or a family-sized space, choose your layout, materials, and features to make it truly your own. For over a decade, Zen Tiny Homes has been conceptualizing and building homes, featured on HGTV, A&E, CBS, and KPBS. Our experience has made us Southern California's trusted tiny home builder.
Julie Brooks. If you are looking for a tiny home that is durable enough to be lived in, these are the ones.
Nicole. Great company, great customer service. Way ahead of the game in tiny home design.
Devin Hale. Zen Ben did it again, pushing out fabulous homes.
Joseph Johnson. Great product at an affordable price. 10 out of 10. We'll shop again.
TL. Zen Tiny Homes has awesome customer service with very good pricing and quality build.
Through House Debt Relief Tiny Homes, we connect you with seasoned experts who offer personalized guidance and support to make your transition smoother. With a variety of customizable design options, you can select the perfect tiny home to fit your needs, helping you stay on your property while rebuilding and giving you the fresh start you deserve. With so many tiny homes to build, securing your spot today ensures you won't miss out. Demand is rising fast, and while we're committed to helping as many families as possible, reserving your space now ensures you'll be first in line to rebuild. Don't wait. Your new beginning is just one step away. If you've lost your home in the fires, we're here to help. Call us now or visit housedebtrelief.com/tinyhomes to complete the form. Our team will reach out right away to start your application. Let us help you rebuild and move forward starting today. As seen on Tiny Home Hunters, The Coast News, HGTV, KPBS, and CBS 8 News Station. We're committed to supporting you through every step of the process. Whatever you need, we're here to help make your journey to a new home as smooth and stress-free as possible.